Your master? Are you a master? Masters can come inside.
Non-masters cannot come, no?
No, non-masters. Thank you. Come stand here. Whatever. Yes, Vikas. What work? Maths? You want them to write in your notebook? Questions. Which one do you want? Kalyan, you will write questions in his notebook. You will not write in your notebook. Akanksha, what do you want her to do? Give her the spelling. Go, Saraswati. Yes. Give him the spelling. Go.